أهلا. hello. هؤلاء. هؤلاء. هؤلاء is used for males and females and only used when talking about humans, not things, not animals, whatever. Unless you want to talk about some people and say, oh, these are chickens, then you would say هؤلاء chickens. So let's go to the examples. هؤلاء الفتيات. هؤلاء الفتيان. Now let's move on to أولئك. 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 أولئك الفتيان. أولئك الفتيات. Note that when you say أولئك الفتيان, this is translated to those boys. But when you say أولئك فتيان with no alif and lam, this means those are boys. And this rule also is applied to هؤلاء. Goodbye for now.